Moving soon? That's exciting. Before you start packing, there's one important step many people overlook: letting your friends and family know. Sharing your moving news the right way helps keep relationships strong and avoid surprises. Start with the people closest to you. Call them or tell them in person if you can. It's personal, it's thoughtful, and it shows you care. Next, spread the word to everyone else. You can send a friendly group message, post on social media, or mail out "We're moving" cards, especially if you'd like to share your new address. Be sure to give everyone enough notice to update their contact info and plan a visit or goodbye before you go. And don't forget the practical side. Update your address with your employer, your bank, and any subscriptions or services to keep things running smoothly after your move. Moving is a big change, but staying connected makes it much easier. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email contact us at movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.